Today I want to talk about what is possibly one of the worst things a company can do to a developer, and that is enforcing a certain operating system at work. Developers are not your typical employees. In most cases, they're more knowledgeable about computers and also all about optimizing their workflow for increased productivity. And so it always baffles me when a company forces employees to use their own choice of operating system, because it is the equivalent of clipping their wings. For example, my workflow as a hobbyist software developer is entirely based on GNU/Linux, and that's how I'm most productive. However, if you force me to use Microsoft Windows, it's going to feel as though I lost all of my superpowers, and not to mention that Git integration inside Microsoft Windows is just plain awful. But I develop applications on Microsoft Windows, I hear you say. Well, even if you develop .NET applications, you basically have no excuse, because .NET is cross-platform nowadays. Thanks to Microsoft for realizing there's a world outside of their own ecosystem. Another excuse is that companies have group policies and that they do it for security reasons. Well, that's perfectly understandable, but if that's the case, at least let your employees set up their own virtual machine. But that's also usually impossible nowadays, because companies have gone crazy with restrictions. You basically cannot install anything on your own machine. Yeah, that's all I have to say. See you next time.